I bet. Y'all hopefully watched the last video. This video, we are technically done with the interior. Technically, because I painted the roof just now. You guys haven't seen that, but it is painted. I'll show you guys. So which means you have to start on the outside, and I should have started recording when I started here. As you guys can see, it's bare metal, and this is how it was before. Should have started recording, but I just wanted to see if what I wanted to do was gonna work, and I guess it does. So I'm gonna carry on what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna carry on doing what I was doing, and yeah. I know I might crash. You never see me in a band unless your bitch came with her friends. Alright, let me show you the progress of where we are right now. Holy shit, look at this. This is how much came off. That's a lot. You can see the garage floor is fucking dirty. I even cut myself with the grinder. But I'm halfway done with the roof. Halfway. Still have to do this side. And then the boot, I'm basically done.
Hey, you're not the only nigga that did the boot. I woke up first. You woke up 3 hours after I started with this shit.
He did do a lot of work on the boot, right? But that work needed a grinder.
Yeah, but I couldn't get a grinder because you were asleep. I needed the extension. You were asleep.
When I arrived, he didn't ask for no extension. But yeah, this is the progress we have now. I still have to fix. I'm gonna show you guys, there's a lot of rust under this. I still have to go fix it. But let me finish off the roof. Alright guys, for now, it's the next day. I need to go buy a little bit more of the things I was using yesterday, so let's go. We got the Bantam keys. Let's go. Y'all can't lie no more. I know the windshield dirty as hell, but that's a nice X6. I almost said M. It's a nice X6, man. We have made it to Chamberlain. If you guys do not know what Chamberlain is, this is where we buy most of our things. So yeah, let me just get in real quick. However, we have wasted all this time, it's whatever. We contradicted all those words that we have spoken. I just bought a couple of these. Back. I'm gonna finish off this part, this one section here. All of this is done. I know you barely can see, but it's mostly just dirt. And then I think I'm gonna start with the side. I would wanna start here, but nah, I don't wanna start there. I think yeah, I'm gonna start on the side of the car. Start right here. I'm gonna do from here and keep going and keep going down and all of that. Alright, let's go.
Now we stuck together, it's for the better. The love I have for her is way too heavy, cannot measure, it's whatever. I hope you don't choke on the smoke of this blunt I just lit up. It makes it easy to cope. That shit just gave me some hope, and that's the reason I smoke. I'm trying to be in the clouds where all my problems are jokes. I want you to know that I won't let you go, so we could take it slow. We got so much you gotta show, but I want you to know that I won't let you go, so we could take it slow. We got so much we gotta show.
All those times I called and you declined, it's whatever. Posted, I can't see you outside with whoever. The seed that you planted in my mind is forever.
We're working on this. You guys can see how it looks right now. Guess what's here? The Golf 125 is back. Why? I don't know, but I guess we'll find out.
I just wanna do good, something better than my best. Let's get it understood. Ain't tryna be like the rest. Different read and different quest. That paper don't mean nothing to me when I know you standing by my side. They keep on talking on the side. These niggas are bitches, all buck, no bite. All buck, no bite. These bitches thinking that I'm wrong, I'm right. Fucking that bitch, I'm on top of my right. Got 43, it's gon' give you a fright. You know that I might. Give me a G82, that Hennessy bottle I'm sipping into. Puff, 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 pass. Slam truck, I'ma hit the gas. Then dash, moving so fast like the flash. I be counting this money, I only got cash. And I hope I don't crash, cause these beamers just dash. I just wish your love was true. I just wish your love was true. It could've been me and you. I just wish your love was true. I just wish your love was true. It could've been me and you. I just wish your love was true. It could've been me and you. We making this money on true. And you cannot love, man. That shit fake. You fake. I'm cooking this beat, I can't wait. I'm moving so flawless, I can't make mistakes. Loyalty is all it takes. Tell us some time, but your bitch got some cake. There ain't nothing to it, we moving so fast, I don't even need no brakes.
Tastes like banana. Banana. There are a lot. Don't go too thick. Try to cover as much as possible first.
Hey, that's a nameless piece. And these thoughts, they be heavy on me. I be fucking your bitch to sleep. My tapas are powder, nothing on me is cheap. And I can't even sleep. 2 a.m. I just hopped on this beat. I'm living like GTA with some cheat. The price of this Louis, man, it ain't cheap. Just me, lighting a tree, sipping on Hennessy, putting on Louis V. It's me, 6.2 with a red key. Fucking your bitch, I put her to sleep. The diamonds are shining, they shining like me.
These eyelashes.
Blue.
Like the Corsa. Like the Corsa.
They be heavy on me. I just need a V, C50 and a dash. I'm a fucking bitch now.
Alright guys, so as you can see right here, we sprayed a little bit of black paint on where we primed, only because to see like the imperfections on the body, like the dents and stuff. Because here is a dent, the camera can't see it, né? But because of the paint, we are able to see. We're gonna mark it up here, and then tomorrow we're gonna fix it up. So yeah, the whole car's gonna look like this before it looks better. Guys, so we removed the windshield. The front one you couldn't remove because we ran out of wire to remove it, but this one broke, as you can see with these pieces over here. I don't want to get cut. Here are the pieces that broke off everywhere. Like literally it was the last piece that had to come out. So obviously as we work on a car, shit like this is gonna happen, and unfortunately it did. But that side window, it didn't break off. But either way, I don't think we're gonna use them because we had an epiphany and we're thinking of probably just putting plexiglass on it. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is actually the one reason why we didn't take out the windscreen, the front, because we think it might break off, and this is the one we cannot replace with plexiglass. All right, so tomorrow when we get the wire, we're gonna remove it as cautiously as possible so that this doesn't break this like that other window that side. At the engine bay tomorrow, what we're going to do is basically strip it all down. Well, not the mechanical parts, the paint and stuff. We're gonna strip the paint, continue sanding everywhere, the doors, and then after sanding and stripping down, that's when we make the whole car gray. Everything is gonna be gray, like for primer. And then after all of that, then we can finally do something with all these pieces. Oh, the hood is also gonna get worked on too. Forgot about that. I almost forgot about that guy.
And then the hood reason.
Another reason, I'm sorry I didn't put this in. Another reason why we applied this coat of primer, this is basically the working coat. This coat is the coat where we can see the imperfections, of course. We're going to see like the dimples and all those things from, I think you can see some, yeah, like here. Nah, I don't know if this, yeah, but anyways, where we're going to find the imperfections, fix them, and then sand it down. After sanding it down, we're gonna apply body putty.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, finally primed over it. I said we were gonna do that. We actually did it. That's the first time I say we're gonna do something when we do it. The roof is finished. Both side panels. Tomorrow we're gonna work on the doors inside and then the roof. And the next day, or if we're fast enough tomorrow and we work early, we'll do the front too. But thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below what you think about this build. Goodbye.